Hey guys, this is Ella. I'm coming back to teaching you something new. I want to teach you 3 hacks that I wish I knew before. First of all, if you always have trouble with drawing unconsciously with your hand, so go to the action brief in gesture control general section. Disable touch action, turn it on please, and done. You never have trouble and you can keep drawing. Second hack. If you have trouble with smudging and shading, just select the layer, go to adjustment, Gaussian blur, click layer, and now you have very clean shading. Last one, third hack. Go to Pinterest, write color palette with numbers. Now you have so many numbers that you can add it on your palette. Go to color section. In value, in this section, you can delete this number and add the number that you find on Pinterest. Now you have all the palette. Thank you for watching me. Please subscribe. Bye.